So we're well on our way, and yep, the recurring theme at the moment is it's already started raining. Stormy weather and stuff is meant to come in, but we'll play it by ear and just see what happens. We've got the brolly, so we should be able to stay out of the rain a bit. We're not fishing into dark tonight, it's just going to be a daytime session. It's late afternoon, it's 3:30 now, it'll be 4 o'clock by the time I get there and get set up. So everyone, we're nearly there. It's just down the road here. We've done the journey. Pretty straightforward. I always come through the country lane bit. It's a nicer journey. Let's hope that no one's in our spot. Or the spot we want to try. It's looking a bit busy, but can't actually see anyone fishing where I want to go, so that's good. So we're at our destination. Let's get the gear out, get a chair, get some baits, and put some rods in the water. Going to put a feeder rod probably to the right and to the left and try and get some bites. And may feed up in front of me as well, and might try a float later on. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens, see what bites are like, and go from there. Got to put the umbrella up because it's spitting with rain and it's a bit windy, so we'll deal with that. So let's get the gear out. Put a woolly hat on thinking it's going to be really blustery, windy and freezing, and it's actually really warm. So we're just sitting here in a t-shirt at the moment. We've got the small rod out to the left and the large rod out to the right, so I'll spin you around and show you that, and I'll show you the baits, and let's see how we get on. So we've got a special waterside mix in there. Wish you could smell it because it smells lovely. It's got more of like a sort of marmite-y flavour sort of taste. And we've got the old worms, plenty of them in there in the bottom of that. Got some wrigglers. And that's all we need really for this session at the moment. I've got some meat pellets as well, but that's what we'll start off on and go from there. So we've had a couple of casts now. I've had a fair bit of weed on the right hand rod, so I brought that closer in and sort of gone down in front of me. And the little small rod is down under this boat on the side here. I've had one bite on that and then that stopped. So it's sort of a promising start with the one bite. Oh, here we go, saying that I've got a bite now, so bear with me. Well, nothing seemed to have come to that point. I had a couple of really good knocks and that's stopped. So I brought it in just to check the bait and stuff and rebaited it. It's back on the spot. Well, it started to rain on me, which is not too good, but it's not very heavy yet, so nothing to worry about. As I say, it's fairly warm, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. But the broadie's sitting here ready. I need to whip it over the top of the old camera gear and stuff. Then I will. But at the moment, it's just a case of keep putting the baits up and trying to find a fish. I've got a bite on the little rod again. The right hand rod I'm struggling with. I keep just putting it into big lumps of weed. Trying to find a clear spot for that one, but the left hand rod's fishing clear. I can't find a spot for it. I'll have to bring it over this side somewhere. So we're officially under the brolly and just had our first proper bite and we got a fish. Nothing too massive, but Mr. Wee, come on, stay still. Mr. Perch. There you go. Oh, the other rod's going now. Let's get him back and see what's on there. So that was pretty good. Fish number 2. A much bigger perch. That'll be jubbly. So we're starting to find a few fish. Keep baiting the areas and let's see if we can get a few more. Rain's been a bit of a pain, but let's say it's not too cold, nothing to worry about. Let's get these baits back out there and see if we can get a few more. Hopefully they're going to get bigger and hopefully we'll get some mixed species and get some different stuff as well. Fingers crossed. So what I'm literally doing is just going down the side of the boat like that. It's very shallow here, you've probably got 3 foot, maybe. Right, bait up the other one and put it in that side. The right hand rod at the moment is going just around the side of where that ladder is on that boat, just around the front of there. That's where that fish just came from. How close will he come? It's in my bait, I think, and he's creeping up. But I bet you if I move, he'll soon move out the way. In he goes. Straight on my swim. Is he gonna jump? Look at his mates. They're down there in the water. He's now looking at me. He's going, oh look, that's that Mr. Waterside. What's he up to? Come on, Mr. Goose, make your mind up. Fish on again. That's a Mr. Perch again. Right, let's get him back to his mates. So we are getting a few bites. It's taking a little while to get the bites, but we are getting some. Nice to get some different species, getting the old perch. We've had a lot of bream and stuff lately. That's cool. It'd be nice if we can get some roach and stuff like that as well. Some golden rod and things like that. Let's keep going. Well, it's getting a bit crazy. By the time I put that rod back out and put his fin up and everything, he's angry. There's another one. Lovely jubbly. Egyptian goose. Lovely birds, lovely colours. It's a bit wary of me, but damn, really annoyed. I just had a really decent sized perch on, just coming into the edge here and ping, off I come. Let's keep going, we're getting plenty of bites. We have got a bit of sort of floating weed going around, but I need to keep an eye on it and try and stay away from it. It's not too bad. Some fairly big clumps, but there is areas if you keep looking around that are clear. Oh, I'm getting frustrated now. I've just lost another really good fish. What's going on, why they're getting off. Well, they're just not taking it properly. Oh, we've got a bite again already. Whoa! Fish on, everyone, fish on. Don't think it's too big, this one. Not too bad. Guess what it is? If I can hold it. Mr. Perch. We're finding a lot of perch in this session, aren't we? I don't mind, I'm fishing down the side of the boats on purpose for them, so. There won't be other rods going now as well. It's getting a bit crazy. Well, we hooked into it, and here it is. Mr. Bream. Lovely jubbly. We're starting to find a mixture of fish now as well. Well, this is getting hectic, everyone. It's pretty good. We're getting bites on both sides. Sometimes at the same time. Which makes it fun. But yeah, we're getting some nice perch. We're just had a bream. Who knows what else is going to be down there for? It'd be nice if we could find a roach, rod, or whatever. But let's just keep feeding the swims up. I hope these rods keep going round. Baby ducks. Being followed by their parent. Wow, this one's a bit of a beast. If I can let me hold him. Whee! It's not happy. He swallowed it right down, but I managed to get it out quite nicely. Lovely perch. Lovely jubbly. Come on, put your fin up. Lovely bit. Let's get him back. Cracking bites, the rods are absolutely flying around sometimes. Lost a perch probably twice the size of that a little while ago, if not even slightly bigger. So I want to get back down there now. It's getting a bit silly now. Another perch. Lovely jubbly. Get him back in. They're all going jumping. Oh, this one's a bit scared. He's looking around thinking about it. Are you going, mate? Here we go. Boing. There's a whole row of them coming along there. only gone and found a nice big bream. Lovely jubbly, nice old dark one. Lovely fish. So I always say it's going pretty well so far. We've had plenty of fish. Lots of nice perch. A couple of nice bream. This cast I ain't had a bite on either rod. So it might be a case of just having a recast and just moving the bait a little bit. Freshening the bait up with a new bait. Still raining as you can probably hear, but nothing too crazy, nothing to spoil it. Got lots of people turning up behind me in the car park. They're all going down to watch the old sailing boats out on the main board there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the session so far. Sorry I'm not getting you like too many angles from the sides and stuff and me playing fishing, but with it pouring with rain, I can't have the camera gear outside the brolly at the moment. You can't get much closer to me, it's literally right next to me. Fish on everyone, fish on. Ouch, 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 it's spiking me. There we go. Mr. Perch, everybody, Mr. Perch. That was a cracking bite, the rod went flying, man. I don't know if that went. Well, rain's pouring down on me as you can tell. I've got Canadian goose just sitting there. I've got an Egyptian goose just sitting that side. And I've got a load of them sitting down the side of the river there. Just hiding behind the umbrella. It's raining quite heavy. Bites have slowed down slightly. Gone a little bit quiet for the last sort of half an hour. I'm pretty sure the fish will come back through soon. Maybe we've overfed a little bit, maybe we need to hold back on some feed. Or maybe we need to put some more in, so I'll work that out. On one of the sides I'll put some more bait in, on the other side I won't, and we'll see where the bites stay. Rain's getting a fair bit heavier now, which is a bit of a pain, but it's not really affecting me, it's still not really that cold. Might have to put a jumper on, but that's about it. Shouldn't be too bad, is it? Still got the old sunnies on, even though it's cloudy, because it's just the glare. I like it to be duller. Plus the breeze that sort of comes in that stops the pollen and stuff getting blown into my eyes, because I get quite bad hay fever. So let's see if we can get some more bites. Ooh, thunder. Mr. Egyptian Goose has made his way right up to us. They're a lovely animal, and look at the colours and that on them. Don't seem to be too scared of me. Well, I found another perch. Quite a nice one. Lovely jubbly. Like that, if you're holding by the old lip, they don't wriggle too much. Put the little fin up, look at that, lovely. Let's get him back in. They're still coming, they're still coming. So I'll put the old jumper on, but not because it's cold, just because if I get a bite I've got to go outside the brolly. It's obviously raining, just keeps me dry. I've only had the one bite now and probably about 45 minutes or so. It's gone, it's quieting right down. But we'll keep putting the old feed out and see if we can get them going again. Bird on, does that count? He's in the landing net. Just chucked him a couple of maggots, seeing he's so brave to come that close. Stand there staring at me. Give me some more, give me some more. Literally next to my feet now. You can probably see with the rods next to my feet there. Surprising though, first you can get an animal to come to you. Especially a wild one. They're trying to do them off in front of us. Probably about to fly off, I reckon. Well, found some more bites. Lovely jubbly. Get him back in. Lovely and slimy. Can't remember the last session I didn't go back all slimy. All part of the fun on the board there. Always make sure you got a good old towel with you, not a little tiny tea towel, a proper towel. You're going to catch loads. Right, let's get this back in the water and see if we can get another bite. Still finding fish. Lovely jubbly. Mr. Bream. Did go Did go quiet for a little while, but we seem to be getting a few bites again now. It stopped raining for at least an hour now, as you can probably hear on the old brolly. It's making a fair bit of noise. Yeah. I'm tucked up under here, so I don't mind too much. Right everyone, that's going to be the end of my session, but I ain't finished. I've got a fish here. I can pick it up. Here we go, Mr. Perch. Lovely fish to finish on. Lovely jubbly, Mr. Perch. Get him back in. Nice. So that's going to be the end of my session today. Got to rush home now because it's 7:20 and I've got to moderate for one of my friends at 8 o'clock, so I need to get driven home, get the old hot chocolate on, get washed up and be ready for that. So thanks very much for watching, really appreciate it. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and leaving a like and stuff like that. And if you really like what's going on in the channel and stuff, then maybe have a look at the members section. So thanks very much. I'll see you all soon in the next video. Won't be long. Bye for now.